this is a new concept, but not really new. It's just a combination of the concepts we've done so far. As you can see here, you can see double x, right? So all you need to do firstly is what? To bring them together. That's the punchline. Like terms, that's the punchline. So what do? You say negative 72 equals 7x, negative 15x is what? Negative 8x. It's just like doing 7 minus 15, which is negative 8. And then x, right? You just add the x, negative 16. Now, what do you need to do now to make x stand alone? The first thing to do here is what? Yes, you have to add 16 to both sides. You don't divide through by negative 8. So the first thing to do is either remove negative or positive before removing division or multiplication. Remember that. That's the punchline. So in this case, we will add 16 to both sides. Now if we do that, here I will get what? Negative 56. And this is 0 gone. I get negative 8x. Now, x can stand alone. I will divide by negative 8. Negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1. So our x equals negative 56 divided by negative 8. Remember, negative divided by negative is positive. 56 divided by 8 is 7. Then I have that x equals 7. Now let us check real quick. On the right hand side, we have negative 72. Now 7 times 7 minus 15 times 7, negative 16. 7 times 7 is what? 49. Negative 15 times 7 is what? Negative 105. Then negative 16. 49 minus 16 will give us 33. Now 33 minus 105 will give us negative 72. As you can see, that our answer is correct because the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Great. We will apply the same concept in the next question.